So, you want to change the name of your Facebook business page but not sure how? Well, you are watching the most easiest tutorial that you could ever find on the internet. And today, I'll walk you through step by step on how to change the name of your Facebook business page without pulling your hair out. First, head to your actual business page. Once you're there, you will notice the Manage Page menu chilling on the left side, and you will see your page content on the right side. Now, scroll on down to Settings and go ahead and click that. Once you're in Settings, keep scrolling until you see Audience and Visibility. You're almost there, so keep going until you spot Page Setup. Click on that bad boy. Now to change the page name, click the little view button next to name. You will see the option to edit the name. Click it and type in your new shiny business name. After that, click the review changes and it will ask you to type in your password. Go type yours. Once you've done that, click the request changes. But be aware that once you submit your name change and it's approved, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So make it count. Also, Facebook keeps a little name history under other names. And yep, all your previous choices live there forever. And that's it. You've officially leveled up your Facebook business page like a pro. Just remember, with great name changes comes great responsibility. So double check that new name before you hit save. Now, if this walkthrough saved you time or sanity, do me a solid. Smash that like button, drop a comment if you got questions, and subscribe for more no-flop tutorials.